Good morning everyone. So today is April 19th and I think it's just 8 or quarter to 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm having Hershey's na chocolate drink sa 7-Eleven to start my day. I've been avoiding coffee pero yesterday nag-coffee ako because I need to. And ngayon, I need something na magkaroon ng laman ng chan ko. Drink. Sarap ng tamis.
Wait, atawa ko siya ng
Kaya ako nagad Bisaya ko pa na ditan agad.
Okay, so we're back now here at home and we bought empanada and may lucky, super lucky niya. Sana all malaki. Charing!
This is the empanada of
And the empanada.
No.
Alam niyo naman,
Big ILOCOS North.
everyday empanada, all the way, hindi tayo magsasawa hanggang hindi pa namamatay. Charis! And for me, the best partner of empanada is karang Iloco.
Ano?
So let's eat na.
Kalakos.
Hello guys, good afternoon. So we are starting the vlog a little late again. So we are here sa Samgyeopsal
Korean grill.
So we already been here once and we already we went here
Tapos
again.
nakita namin si Apayao.
Oh. Sa farm madami. Kaso apple mango kasi
Korea
pero
ka.
maganda rin. Ang gusto ko talaga yung naka-fix na nandito yung egg.
Hi, we're back at home. So we're not gonna have any dinner anymore kasi my sister and my mom went outside they went to San Nicolas for Manny Pacquiao's rally. So yeah, we're not gonna have any dinner. Then tomorrow we are going somewhere. We're going to Apayao.
So what?
I'm kind of excited kasi maganda daw doon. So we're gonna be early tomorrow. 4:30 daw dapat aalis na kami. So good luck to us. Yun yung kasarapan ng tulog ko. My God. So ayun. Hello guys. Good evening. Nandito ako sa labas ng bahay kasi dito may signal yung laptop. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Medyo maingay lang dito kasi tapat namin ng plaza. But may inaayos lang ako sa videos ko for YouTube. Nag-edit lang ako and then nanonood rin ako ng mga vlogs ng mga iba't ibang YouTuber. So ayun. And I'm drinking my Gatorade kasi I've been skipping lunch, dinner here as in. And I usually buy food outside. Anyway, super arty ko talaga. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish everything here and maghilang so later. And yeah, kasi tomorrow maaga pa kami. We will go somewhere. Ayun.
Number 13 in the entire world in the server. Dude, look at all the huge ones he has.
It's sunny, but the breeze is cold. Meron pa yata mas mataas din sa taas. It's so cold! We are on the top of the world! I can't just... Could see that? Just like... Hi. We're going to the view deck now. We're going upstairs. Okay, so we are now here sa view deck. Meron silang parang ganyan, no? Where you can go upstairs to see the whole view. Hindi ako nakapagod umakyat. Say hi, wait lang. So, that's the view. Mas mataas dun sa taas. Mas kita yung whole view. Sa city proper. Ayan.
What's wrong? You've been asking, but I don't have an answer. How come I'm still thinking, let's pretend to fall asleep now. When we get old, will we regret this? Too young to think about all that shit. And stalling only goes so far when you've got a head start. 'Cause we could stay at home or watch the sunset, but I can't help from asking now.
Hello guys, good evening. So I'm back now. So we're arrived here at home safe and sound. Thank you so much, Lord, for that. And anyway, we just had a dinner along the way. So ayun, everything that happened today was very productive. We woke up very early, like 5:30 in the morning to go to mountain or to Apayao. If you already, it's part of the vlog. And then we went to beach kasi I'm into beaches a lot lately ever since nagpunta kami, and then ever since parang nagkaroon ako ng audacity to wear swimsuit. Char. So ayun, and then ayun nga kasi nga we just have a couple of days left here, so that's why we just wanna go to the places that we've been wanted to go while we are still here. So ayun lang, so parang sinagad-sagadan namin ng mga hours na natitira namin dito sa ILOCOS kasi I know that especially me, medyo matagal na naman akong babalik dito kasi magtatrabaho na naman ako. So ayun lang, thank you so much guys pala for supporting this vlog. This special vlog because it's my first time having a vacation vlog here in my YouTube channel. So thank you so much, even though hindi ganun kadami, but thank you so much kasi ayun nga, as I've said, I really want to enjoy the moment that we'll be having here. So that's why the last one, it took me like 2 weeks before I uploaded. 2 weeks ba? Or not naman. So yun, actually 2 weeks na lang kami mag-spend here, but na-extend siya for another week. So 3 weeks na kami nandito sa Sunday. So by Sunday, we're gonna go back to Manila. So ayun lang, just wanna do some couple of chats with you and to keep you updated and to have a proper outro. So thank you so much guys for watching today's vlog. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button and the bell button as well para ma-notify kayo every time that I'm gonna be post. or I will post a new video in the future. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.